Bulovinakai Namaste. I wish our Hindu sisters and brothers in Fiji and around the world a joyous Janmashtami, the auspicious anniversary of the birth of Lord Krishna. Krishna was born in a time of turmoil and a world in chaos. As told in the Hindu faith, he emerged from that adversity to become Lord Krishna, the preeminent Hindu divinity, and a fountain of eternal hope and wisdom to his followers. For 5,000 years, the lessons of Krishna's legacy have served as comfort and guidance to adherents of the Hindu faith. We face a world in chaos today, a global pandemic that has claimed precious lives and left many uncertain about their future. But Fijians of all faiths know that the chaos of COVID-19 cannot consume us. And we know this because we are bonded by the abiding values of compassion, of courage, and of sacrifice that Lord Krishna exemplified throughout his life. I ask that everyone please keep your celebrations to your homes out of respect for our important COVID-safe protection measures. I assure you, your sacrifices today will help pave the way back to the lives we love and the many wonderful celebrations of faith that we proudly and openly share in our united Fiji. Vinaka Bagalevu, thank you.